Natural Disasters on Event Shock channel. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to put a like, comment and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. You're awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. France is under siege by a monstrous hailstorm unlike anything we've ever seen. Several departments are on red alert, as colossal hailstones rain down with terrifying intensity. This isn't just another storm, this is a full-blown crisis. Cars are shattered, roofs are destroyed, and windows are blown out. The streets are empty because no one dares to step outside. The fear is real, and the damage is staggering. Imagine looking out your window only to see golf ball-sized hailstones smashing everything in their path. People are panicking, scrambling for safety, and the chaos is palpable. This is one of the most violent hailstorms in France's history. And it's not over yet. Weather forecasts are grim. This is just the beginning. Experts are warning that in the coming days, the hailstorms will only grow in intensity. The time for vigilance is now. Stay safe, stay informed, and protect what matters most. This is a dramatic reminder of nature's raw power. As we face these violent storms, let's stand together, be prepared, and support one another through these challenging times. France, we are resilient, and we will weather this storm together. Stay tuned, stay safe, and stay alert. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for daily updates and new videos. See you in the next one. Goodbye.